Waterfall tutorial. You'll need the pictures that you want to use, cardstock embellished or construction paper, a ruler, and some form of adhesive. You're going to want to start out by cutting your pictures so that they're roughly the same size and shape. Mine are about 1.5-inch squares. Next, you'll see me marking on the cardstock where I'm going to be cutting. It's going to vary depending on how thick you want your border around your picture to be, or if you're even going to use one at all. It's not necessary, but I think that it overall adds to the look of the waterfall, and it also helps the pictures to flip easier. Next, we're going to take a small strip of paper and make 1 centimeter sections for each of your pictures, plus 1 extra at the bottom of the paper. You're going to want to bend the paper backwards on each section line, making sure to crease really well. Starting with the second to last section, you're going to start gluing on your pictures. Now you'll want to trim the excess off of the tail. This is going to become your pull tab. I added a cute little key to the end of mine. That's also optional. Now flipping it to the back, that little section that we had left, we're going to add another piece of paper that is slightly longer than the width of your pictures. Now to attach your waterfall, you're going to turn it upside down again and then add glue to the very edges of that last piece of paper we just added. Only adding glue to the edges is what allows the pictures to go through the back and is able to get that like pulling waterfall effect. And there you have it, your very own waterfall.